Okay, guys, I'll be showing us how I catch my threats using an invalidation. So, as you can see, um, we all know that BTC was selling throughout last week because we have a demand zone where market already down. So now we're expecting more buys. We're expecting more buys because market tapped the low that we are expecting in the higher time frame. So now we're expecting or more buy in BTC. So and as you can see, let me go back to higher time frame because I marked that zone since last week because I'm already waiting for market to come and tap after I catch some of the sell trend. So now I'm still looking for another re-entry. So if it is good so well and I see the market is coming very slow, not that fast. So I'll take the trade again. That's mean I have to entry. So this is the one that I took yesterday. It's yesterday the market come and trigger it. Alright, let's go to the higher time frame. So no need more explanation. And as you can see right now, market is already started buying because of what market tapped is on. Let me check daily or 4 hour time frame. So as you can see on my previous video, I talk about this. This is where market we're expecting it to come and tap. And look at something here. Market come and tap that zone. Um, it started pushing down, pushing up. So as we all can see, all right, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So this is how I catch this an invalidation, this current trade, as you can see. So we have an invalidation here. So and I mark it out. So I will target this high. I will target this high. I will target this high. That is the nearest high. So as you can see, and one thing with an invalidation, once it's show in 1 hour 30 minutes, it has more probability that it's going to play out. So this is from 1 hour, you can see it here. So but for you to make your SL very tight, so you have to be going back toward lower time frame like this one now. Look at it here from 1 hour is very clean one. And look at something here. It breaks structure. Perfect one. It breaks structure. Is break structure. So it's telling you, yeah, this is very perfect and invalidation. Very strong one. Right, let's go back to the 13 minutes because I usually took my time for 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay. Even from 30 minutes. So as you can see, you'll be adjusting it. Look at it here. So because you're trying to make your asset to look very tiny. That is the important of what going to the lower time frame. Because if you say you want to place the trade from 1 hour, your asset is going to be big, which is so many like when you are going to lose, you are going to lose more. So but once your asset is very tiny, so you don't need to lose more, even if market go against you. So that is important going to the lower time frame, as you can see. So I still because this one is still for 15 minutes. So but you see from 15 minutes, I'm okay with this. Look at it. As you can see, I'm already into the stretch. So look at it here. So now I'm still have another words an invalidation that I'm looking for. So and I don't know whether it's going to hold or not, but based on the market reaction, I will know whether market is going to hold or not. So now I'll be observing it. I'll be observing it. So this is how I catch my trade. As you can see now, I have almost how many hour? I think it's 13 hour, and market now almost give me almost how many hour? It give me almost 7 hour right now. So as you can see, sorry. So and this is it. And okay, let's talk about this one. Let's talk. Let me come out this thing. This second one that I'm looking up to. All right. So even from here, as you can see, also from 1 hour, it give me what I want. Look at here. Even from 1 hour, look at this. Look at it. An invalidation is a very clean one, and it also breaks structure. It breaks structure. It breaks perfect structure. This one. very perfect, very perfect structure, very perfect one. So this is what I'm looking for. Look at it, So now I'll wait market to pull back. As you can see, market is pulling back, and I'll be targeting the high because look at something here. Once market come and tap, there's probability that market is going to push more. So now I will not be targeting this high because this is not what my first trade. My first trade, this is where I'm targeting. So now if I may take this, I'll target this one. I'll target the recent high. I'll target this one. I will definitely target this one before I'm expecting market to push down again. So that is it. That is how I used to trade. And if this is the first time for being here, make sure you like and then comment. If you have any question, you can ask me. And so I'll reply you. I'll reply you. And I know some of my students, some of the people that are for mentorship, so they will tell you. And I see some of them they are doing well. Yeah, they are so much doing well. They are sending me their setup, which is play out, and I'm very happy for that. I'm very very happy. I'm very happy for that. So and that is it. Let's check goal. On goal, I have a view. So let's check how it's going to play out. So this is an invalidation. So this is I'm waiting for the entry. So I'll keep on watching it. I'll keep on watching it and see whether it's going to play out or not. But it's based on what confirmation. I use confirmation before I took my trade. All right, let's go to the gold. So we don't need to talk more about this. The reason that market is already buying. So all we have to do is to start looking for buy because this is a trade that I took. Yeah, I consider the other block. I consider the other block. This is another block here. I consider it very well. This one I consider it very well. So the market will tap. But I will not enter immediately. That is one thing. I will not enter immediately. But if to say I may enter it immediately, look at something here. My what? My SL is going to be big. And that is what I don't want. That is what I don't want. That is what I want. Advance price action, which is about because I don't want my SL to be big. That is a fact. So and I wait patiently. Market tap almost 2 times, and I see confirmation before I took the trade. I think I took this trade for 5 minutes. I will be going to the lower time frame to see how I catch this trade. All right. Let me go back to. It's on 5 minutes that I catch this trade. On 5 minutes, okay. So guys, look at it very clearly. Let me remove this so that you can see it clearly. So this is an if to say I mark the other block, look at something, my SC is going to be big. So and I wait for confirmation. I go back to the long time frame. As market reacts, look at something here. Market come and break structure. This is a perfect break of structure. And market already was moving chubby like this. So and I wait patiently. Market come here. This is my invalidation for 5 minutes. So and because of this thing, most especially, I used to cover all of this because of what? Because I say market is going to sweep all of this before you start pushing. Now this week is telling you that market come up to this place. So that is important of what? Putting your SL lower than all this week because it's very strong zone. So market gas to sweep all of this. So that's why I put my what SL behind all this week to avoid stop out, right? So and this is how I took it. If to say I will use other blocks, I will not be considering what happened recently. That is one thing with that. But I'm considering what will happen. So this is it. And I wait and I mark this an invalidation. So now if somebody enter with other block, that's market will come and do all this chubby. It will keep on playing with you. Like you be thinking maybe some people will say VE people that said BE, they have already stopped out because market look at something as it tap, it go back, still come back, still tap, go back again. So you see, but if your SL is very tiny safe, it's going to take you out. So that is it. All right, and this is how I got this red. I think it's very sweet one, very like I say, I usually target what this high. I usually target this high. This is what I'm targeting, but I keep on monitoring the trade. because I think it's from here that I stop out. This is the place because it's on Friday. So it's on Friday. Market is going to be closed. So as market reach here, I no wait. I just stop. I take my profits. So that is it. As you can see, in my SL, like I said, it will go. Then I take profits. This here. This is what I stopped the trade. I took my partial profit, and but this is where I target for the first time 15 at run. But I cannot be able to because it's on Friday. I'm expecting the market it may going to close, so I'm okay with that based on my plan, and that is how I usually used to trade. Okay, so I think that is the only thing I have, and see the we already know that market is buying, so this is another my invalidation. So this is what I'm looking up to. So let's see how it's going to play out, guys. As you can see, let's check from 1 hour. So and I love this kind of invalidation. That is a fact because most of the time it play way more than all those. Don't give all this good structure like this one. Look at a very clean one from 1 hour as well. And look at market the way it's reacting. So and it breaks structure, perfect one. Look at the way markets. So this is a very perfect one. This is very perfect one as you can see. And I'll be targeting here. We have so many plays. If you say you be greedy, I can target this place because let me go back to have a time frame. We like daily. You see what? So probably market it may react from here also. So for me, I'm okay. And see another one here, but I'm okay with this one. The nearest high is okay for me. So as you can see now, I'm waiting patiently. Market to come, and you see 30 minutes, 1 hour also is a very valid one. So now all we have to do, we should wait for confirmation. It's not that immediately we enter because sometimes you're going to because of like entering very fast. That is what causes you to lose money. But now if you wait for confirmation, when market come here, when market come here, wait for confirmation. Go back to the agent friend, confirm it first. Confirm something like this. Something like this. Then before you enter trade, because once market give you something like that from what from lower time frame, like 15 minutes, 3 minutes, then you mark here. So you're expecting market to come here like this, then to tap and go. So all these guys I'm giving you for free because there are some things that I don't used to what saying on my videos until if my student or something like that. I have a lot of what confirmation that I used to consider before I took any trades. So that is it. But I'm okay with this and I hope this video you find it very helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends for more videos like this. Peace out, guys. For those that want to enroll for mentorship, yeah, I do that one-on-one online class. So if you're interested, you can send me a DM. You can check my description. I've dropped my WhatsApp number. I drop my WhatsApp number there. So thank you guys. Peace out. This is the only page that I've viewed that I've settled on. Silver GBP. It's kind of like the chart is not that clean. So we have to wait for confirmation. We have to wait for good confirmation because we'll not be entering trade anyhow. So peace out guys.